Tiny box, massive vibes? Garmin Fusion MS-BB100 turns your boat into a floating concert. Ever been on your boat, vibes high, ocean wide, and then the sound? Weak. Your favorite track sounds like it's playing from a tin can in a hurricane. You fumble between janky AUX chords and clunky consoles, only to land on some crackly FM station or Bluetooth that keeps ghosting you. Helm space is tight, wires are everywhere, and you're this close to giving up on good audio altogether. We get it, boating is your escape, not a battle with outdated entertainment systems. It's frustrating, distracting, and turns your dream cruise into a tech nightmare. Now multiply that pain. Picture this. You're hosting friends, sun shining, drinks flowing, and your sound system decides to peace out mid-chorus. You dive into the locker, untangle wires, mess with buttons, only to blast static into the ocean air. You paid how much for that boat, and this is the soundtrack? It's more than just bad audio, it's lost memories, missed moments, and mounting stress when things should feel effortless. Your boat deserves better, and honestly, so do you. Here's where the Garmin Fusion MS-BB100 black box swoops in like a sonic superhero. This thing is compact, sleek, and loaded with brainpower. It hides neatly inside Helm consoles, lockers, or other tucked-away spots, freeing up Helm space while cranking out up to 200 watts of crisp, stereo audio. With multi-zone tech, you can control different audio zones, yes, zones, and the IPX7 rated wired remote keeps things dry and fly. Control everything from your Garmin watch, smart device, or MFD like a true digital captain. It's plug-and-play bliss for those who demand chill and thrill. Let's talk perks. You get rich, powerful audio without needing a concert hall's worth of space. You get 2 audio zones, so your party can blast while your cabin stays chill. You get full remote access via Bluetooth, USB, AUX, even iPhones, no more signal roulette. And guess what? It's backed by a full-year warranty and Garmin's legendary build quality. So yeah, this box might be small, but it's packing big, boat-shaking energy. Want a smoother ride and sharper vibes? Hit that description link and dive into the details. Ready to turn your floating tin can into a luxury yacht, sound-wise? Then don't wait. These kits move fast because people know when they've found the real deal. Join thousands of captains, cruisers, and chill hunters who've already upgraded with Garmin. You've got nothing to lose, except static, frustration, and lame playlists. Seize the wheel, blast the beats, and bring your boat into the modern age. Click now. Float louder. Live better.